Hey Hans, been a while, hasn't it?
Hi, how are you?
So,
This video will just show my final stage of my car because before the video is 2 years ago or 1 year ago. I just know you before.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
So now my car all finished, internal, mechanical, everything all done. And it's my daily tracking everything for this car. Because I only have this car by myself. Only one car in my name. So I use this car to drive to school, to buy something, anything. So the last year I repainted my engine bay and fix some wearing issues, just like some my oil filter.
Yep.
And I fixed the heater, the cooler for AC.
Oh yeah.
And I do this job for this.
Oh yeah. So what's that? That's
That's ITV.
Okay. So what's the benefit with that?
More air coming.
More air for the engine.
Yeah,
okay.
more air.
Yep.
Go through. But the better one is lots of dust will come inside.
Oh okay.
So they will rebuild maybe 1 or 2 years, maybe. I don't
So
know.
it's been a while since you've how long did it take to get all this all done? Like the whole car. Like a
1 year.
one entire year. So that's why the car.
Yes,
for the whole
I
time.
find the parts.
Oh wow.
And I have lots of spare parts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so in my storage.
Oh yeah.
And I can sell or keep it. But they are all for my car, the old one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Wow.
And I changed the new brake booster.
Okay.
And
New
the
brake.
cylinder.
Yeah.
That's all new.
Yep.
It's smaller than original. And the braking feeling is more firm.
Oh yeah.
Not sensitive.
This still has no power steering, right?
No.
Yeah. So that's nothing.
That's
Yeah.
nothing.
Yep.
I use the manual windows and AC is working good.
Yep.
No power steering. Yeah, that's it. And nothing for my engine bay.
Is this stage 1 or stage 2 as well? Like
Nothing, just NA, just normal.
this NA, yeah.
Yeah, just as beginning. And I don't have money to change the heater. It's still dead in there, but it's still good use. So I don't mind. Carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Done some of that too, haven't you?
Uh-huh.
You got carbon fiber hood too. Is that new or is that the?
It's a 4.
Oh, this is the original one from before, wasn't it? So how much was the carbon fiber, the hood and the
It's around $900.
$900? Ooh, wow, it's expensive. How long did it take you to find that?
No, it's all brand new.
Oh, it's all brand new. Oh, you bought from okay.
Yeah. But this one is 300 or 400. But in Japan, you have the dry carbon.
Dry carbon. So what's the benefit with that? What's the
The dry
difference?
carbon is more light.
More light.
And it's very easy. How to say? It's not
Easy
it's,
to-
It's a stronger.
Stronger.
Yeah, but it's a little bit dangerous when you're on the road because when you crash, the carbon fiber
Oh yeah,
when
because
you shut,
oh okay.
you will hurt someone. So dry carbon is not legal on the road. I think in Australia. So
I think it's also dangerous, isn't it? Because like the fumes and the stuff that when it goes in the air,
will come out.
yeah, it's not good for your
Yes.
the respiratory.
On the face.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's
So
what I heard.
fiberglass is more safety.
Safety, yeah. So what other stuff you done inside? Like you got new tires, new. I noticed you got a little front splitter here, haven't you? You've changed
This one is the replica.
Oh, replica. Okay.
Yeah, because I don't want to use the OEM one.
Yep.
OEM is more expensive, and I need to repaint to this black. So I use replica. Always I hit down over there.
Oh, you always hit stones, yeah.
Care for this because it's $200.
Oh Jesus! Wow.
$200. It's so cheap. This lift. And I found this envelope.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got a new emblem as well. That's nice.
But this one Dinky envelope is more rare to find. It's more expensive.
You had fog lamps as well, didn't you?
Yeah,
Like
but
you had the.
fog lights.
You removed the fog lights,
because
yeah.
the fog light is not original, so I.
Oh, okay.
bought that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you repaint it or anything like that? Nothing like that. You haven't done anything like that.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
I didn't repaint.
What about the rear? You've done anything to the rear?
Nothing.
No. So
I just keep original.
you changed the exhaust or
No,
the exhaust?
not
No.
exhaust.
It was more noisy. I remember it was a lot more noisier. What
I
about?
changed the diff.
Oh, you changed the differential.
And I
Okay.
rebuilt the LSD.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You said that you worked on the interior as well. So what kind of
Yeah.
changes you've done inside?
I cleaned the carpet, all the carpet.
Oh, the carpet you cleaned out.
Yeah,
Okay.
Inside the carpet.
Yep. Oh wow, it looks so
the
no.
carpet.
Looks so
Carpet.
new.
And I changed the seat.
Oh, you got
Two
new
brand new brake seat.
bride. Not
Yeah.
bad. And how much was that, if you don't mind asking?
Not sure of the price.
Not too sure. Can't tell.
Can't see the price.
Can't see.
Can't see? I can say that.
Can't say that.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Yeah, the internal I cleaned.
Oh wow.
And
Oh,
inside
original seat.
is-
Oh.
Yeah. And I've changed all new bolts, new clips for the internal.
These seats actually look really great too.
Yeah, they're comfortable.
I love this part. Like this is all like it's all really shiny.
Yeah.
They've done really that's
But
really
the big job is remove the internal, and
yeah.
I use the vacuum cleaner to clean all the carpet under the carpet, the lot from dust.
Yeah?
And, some rubbish under the carpet.
That must take a long time just to get
Yeah,
that.
because it's a long. I need to remove this. After this, I remove the whole dish.
The whole dash is gone.
Whole
Oh
dash,
yeah, those are
whole
cracks
dash.
there.
Yeah, the whole dash, and I rebuild the dash.
Reupholstered.
Yeah.
You did that, yeah.
Yes, and maybe spend 600, 700
Ooh.
for to renew the dash. And
So this is
I
all
clean-
brand new. So how do you fix
It's
that?
not brand new.
Like-
Just someone just put some cover on there,
Oh yeah.
and they use some heat.
Oh, they use heat and they've
Yeah.
okay, interesting.
And I like the old AC, the vent.
Oh,
They're
yeah?
all working.
Yep. Oh, the air conditioning's not working.
It's not working perfect. It is automatically.
Oh, you got air conditioning now.
Yeah, but it's auto.
Oh, automatic.
So,
Oh
so
wow.
you can just depends on the temperature.
Oh yeah.
So you can get the correct.
Oh, so it's sort of like an early version of climate control, right?
This one is cookie.
Sorry?
This one only for cookie.
Only for
Cookie version.
cookie.
Automatically. Two types, Zinky, cookie.
What's the
Zinky-
difference?
Zinky doesn't have this,
Okay, yeah.
and the cookie have one. And this is my car. The front is Zinky face.
Oh yeah.
Zinky face. The rear is cookie face.
Cookie face.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like cookie rear. I like Zinky front.
Yep.
That's why I put them together.
Oh, okay. So I just want to see also inside here. So whoop, we're going to raise the door. So what? So you've got a new dash. So I'm just going to just
Yeah.
so kind of like redone dashboard. You've did you fix up the speakers? You had something with the
Yes. You see the speaker is not there.
Yeah, there was like some like
The
they'll
speaker
hang.
is there.
Oh, so you've moved. Okay, it looks like flush now. That's good.
Yeah. And then here also will have one.
And you put one in there too.
Yeah, that's original. That's all original.
Yeah, so you try and make it look as stock as possible.
Yeah, that's all stock.
That's good.
Nothing changed. Nothing changed. And sometimes I went to the tracking, so I repair the.
Oh, you bought
Open
the
cigar.
racing belt. You can't actually put that while you're driving.
Yeah.
That's correct. So you got two belts, one for the track only, one for the
Huh?
how you say the one for track and one for everyday use, isn't it right?
Yeah.
And you've got I can see you got a fire extinguisher here as well. Good to have that for emergency situation.
Yeah.
Very nice. You've done a really good job for
Yes.
it's
That's-
and you've done a lot of the work yourself as well.
Yeah, that's in my hand. On my hand for all the internal.
You did that by yourself by hand.
Yes.
Wow,
You see
impressive.
my toes. The box.
Oh, your tools. Okay.
Yeah, the toes.
Oh, you got everything there. King Kong. I got the same brand too.
One.
I actually have the same case as well, which is funny. Yeah,
It's very useful.
that's really
For
good. Wow.
emergency.
Hmm?
Sometimes something drop off,
Yeah.
loose, just tightening them.
So what we got here? Oh yeah, I just wanted to see the seats. Low max.
Yeah,
So obviously
max.
a bucket seat, it's fixed.
Yes.
There's no height adjustment, only
No.
front and rear. I mean, sorry, so you can always slide front.
Yeah, the front and the
That's it. That's good. That's all you need. And you got two adjustable seats now. New steering wheel as well, or is that the
There's Nadi. That's Nadi.
ND?
Nadi.
Nadi. Oh, okay.
There's Nadi. For the classical,
Oh.
the dip coin. Before I extend or not?
I think I saw it last time. Yeah.
Yeah, let's already put there. Yeah.
But I don't remember being this clean. Maybe you redid the steering wheel a little bit, but it looks incredible.
Yeah.
How much horsepower you got on this one?
On the wheels, 110.
110, so real stock initial D.
Yeah, that's stock. That's stock. Maybe a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Little bit.
Yeah?
Not much.
Natural aspirated, no
Not much.
aftermarket mods, nothing like that. Incredible. Really cool stuff.
Yeah, I all finished all the internal part now. It's perfect now. It's not perfect.
But
looks
it's really good, it's very clean. I mean,
Yeah.
like not everyone can. Like I see some H6s, they don't look as clean as this,
Yeah, I
but
know
some
that.
are done really well as well.
Yeah.
But for a person who's done most of the work himself,
And I
you've done an exceptional job.
and I prepare lots of the spare parts.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
It's really good. I'm really impressed. You must be really happy because it just looks perfect now.
Yeah, it is.
It really is. Like you've done a couple of modern touches. Obviously, you've got the stands there for your navigation, a couple of new up there lighting and all that. It's really great. I'm surprised how good the rear visibility. Oh yeah. Let's have a look at the rear. It's funny too because you look at cars like this, it's a different area. The visibility is so good because you don't have all the modern safety tech. Oh, you got an R-sway. You got a, what am I saying?
Struck bar?
Yeah, struck bar. Yeah, that's it. Oh, made in Japan as well, which is good.
Yeah, the Cusco. With the front, the same. Yeah, the Cusco. And that's the light. I love it.
Tons of space for your tofu.
Yeah, the light. And
it's a wide opening. I mean, it's huge. Look at it. It's a big.
Yeah. I can use this car to move in the house.
Yeah. Or move your tofu. Got the mountain pass.
This is my furniture. The outside here. That's big room.
It's really good.
And easy remove.
Yeah, you can still fold down the seats as well.
Yes.
That's a great. I didn't know you could even fold these seats down. Which is great.
Yeah.
So it's good. It's good you kept the rear seats as well. You wanted to keep them, did you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I need them.
In case you want to carry people and stuff like that, right?
No, it can't. It's illegal.
Oh, no seatbelt.
No seatbelt there because when I bought this car, this car just 2 seats front.
2-seater, okay.
The rear before is for speaker. Big speaker. That's why my before the speaker is on the door card.
Oh, that explains a lot. Okay.
There's the 1 and 2, the 4 speakers before a round car. So.
But yeah, it's amazing. So you want to tackle the corners on the mountain passes? Might be a good idea to see how it rides. Let's go for a ride.
So listen the sound when you close the door.
Oh yeah?
Actually the new handle. New step sensor.
Oh, you got new
when you
locks?
close the car, the sound is different.
Yeah, it's got like a nice solid. It's new handles, all stock.
It's new stock, no handles. Yeah.
Very solid feeling.
Yeah, the sound is different.
You gonna give it a rev? See how it sounds? Little rev. Rev the engine a little bit. Yeah?
Getting car.
I'll get in the car. Yeah, alright, let's get inside. Let's go. Time for part 2.